In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin chat in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp application. Then go to chats to show up your conversations list, and then if we would like to pin some conversation, we just need to swipe to the right on that conversation. That will show us that options, and if we tap add pin, that will pin that conversation to the top of our chats list. And then in the same way we can pin another conversation. We can pin multiple conversations in the same way. If we would like to unpin a conversation from the top of chat list, we can easily do so in the same way. Just swipe to the right and then tap add unpin. That's how you can easily pin and unpin chats in WhatsApp.